welcome to the Computer Science and Technology Department of Usha Mittal Institute of Technology. The Department of CST is at forefront of coaching and rising engineers with the mission to inculcate in them profound knowledge in the field of CST to enable improvement of dynamic scenario in computer science industry. These expert educators strive day and night to guide students in their chosen areas of research and to convert the aspirations of undergraduate and postgraduate students into a reality. The final semester is dedicated to the final year projects undertaken by students which encourage them to explore and research prevalent technologies. It is accelerated by the state-of-art computer facilities provided by UMIT. The councils at UMIT cater to the needs of students, for example, IEEE, CSI, ACM, ESEL, and many more. They conduct various workshops, hackathons, and fests for all-round development of students. The students have also privileged to participate in abundant sports activities. The NSS Council has conducted various social activities for betterment of the students. The professional and personal grooming by the department is evident from the excellent placement records through the years. The department offers numerous internship opportunities with esteemed organizations such as JP Morgan, Barclays, and many more. Now let's see some of the reviews from students of CST department.
I am Neha Gupta, a first-year student at Usha Mittal Institute of Technology from Computer Science and Technology branch. Usha Mittal has been organizing a lot of competitions, sessions, and even events for intellectual and personality development of the students. COVID-19 does not seem to be any sort of barrier to their motive. We still have access to all of these competitions and sessions through an online platform. So there is absolutely no compromise to our development, and we are very grateful for this. Thank you, UMIT.
Hi, this is Ramya from second year BTech in Computer Science and Technology branch at Usha Mittal Institute of Technology. It's an immense pleasure to share my experience in this college where the constant support of wonderful faculties is unimaginable. Me and my team participated in Toykathon 2021, wherein with our faculty's proper guidance, motivation and our hard work, we secured the 18th position all over India amongst the top 100 winners. And for all of these, of course, I'm a proud UMITian.
Hi everyone, my name is Kajal Hake and I'm doing my BTech in the subject Computer Science and Technology from Usha Mittal Institute of Technology, and I'm in the third year right now. UMIT has helped me a lot in shaping up my sports career, especially volleyball. I was the first girl to represent UMIT at Ashwamed, which is Maharashtra State Inter-University Sports Championship. The volleyball team bagged several medals at inter-university and inter-collegiate tournaments.
Hi everyone, this is Vaishnavi Desai and I'm currently pursuing my BTech in Computer Science and Technology from Usha Mittal Institute of Technology. I have been placed in Barclays, which is a multinational universal bank. UMIT has offered us tons of opportunities like different coding competitions and hackathons. The different councils in UMIT have always organized different events that have helped me boost my confidence. I'll always be grateful to my teachers and mentors for pushing me towards excellence and to UMIT for contributing in making me who I am today. Thank you.
Hello everyone. 4 years at UMIT were building blocks for my career. Their practical-oriented syllabus helped me build my core tech concepts. They also encouraged into non-academics and sports, which gave us lessons for life. In addition to this, they also made the best placements available on campus. Moreover, it made me capable enough to crack these interviews and prepared me for a great career ahead.
With this, the Computer Science and Technology Department extends a warm welcome to the upcoming batch of students and wishes it all the best to grow and excel in the field of CST.